All right, what's going on? Where are we? What is this your office?
This is my office, yeah?
How long have you been here?
In the lake since 2010.
2010. Did you help design and build this?
Yeah.
Really?
And the drink menus and everything, all the drinks coming from me.
This is kind of your dream scenario right here.
It is,
You
yeah.
got to.
I was all my life looking for this.
Really?
Yeah.
How cool is that?
I got it. It's amazing.
Where are you from?
Argentina?
Argentina.
Yeah, I moved to the state in '84.
Okay. And how long you been mixing special drinks?
Since 1984.
Goes hand in hand.
Yeah.
What's your favorite drink? What do we got?
Blueberries A La Fred.
What?
Blueberries A La Fred.
Blueberries A La Fred?
Mm-hmm.
I've never heard of that before.
No, it's mine.
It's yours?
Yeah.
A La Fred.
Uh-huh. I don't say A La Freddy, but A La Fred.
Blueberries A La Fred.
Mm-hmm.
This is amazing. I love this. Is it on the menu?
Oh, yes, it is. Menu's over
Let's see
here.
that. Let's get a confirmation on this. This is ridiculous. Oh, not only is it in the menu, it is #1 on the menu. They're giving you the run of this place.
Yeah.
Look at this. Blueberries A La Fred. Well, it's confirmed, Freddie. It's in the menu.
Okay.
I'm sorry I ever doubted you.
Yeah, but before you make my drink, you have to put the short on.
Okay. Is this a
You
shirt
now
A La
become-
Fred?
No, you're becoming a liquor chef now.
A liquid chef.
Yeah, and not too
I've
many of
never
those.
heard that term
No,
either.
it's only
Liquid
in
chef.
the tavern.
Only in the tavern. I love this shirt, by the way.
Yep.
Blueberries a la mat. That's
Mat,
not
yeah.
on the menu. That's not on the
No,
menu.
we can make one.
Yes. New menu,
You
please.
got, you got to make one blueberries a la
Only
mat.
if it's good. If it's good, we put it on the menu.
Yeah, it's going to be good.
Okay.
So now you're going to do the blueberries a la mat.
Okay.
It's about 35 blueberries,
About 35. It's about 36 blueberry.
a lemon,
Okay.
a mallard,
Smasher. What do you call it?
a mallard.
Okay.
So I give you the
I smash it up. Go crazy on it,
Yeah.
or
just
Smooth
wait.
or-
Yeah. When you mallard, you put your hand in there.
yeah.
So when you mallard, is somebody sitting in front of you, you don't slap them blueberries everywhere.
That's a good idea.
So now just remember somebody you hate
Yeah.
and give it to him.
All right.
Don't worry, it's not glass, so you don't go to break it.
You don't look like an angry man, Freddie. You look.
That's what I took all my anger in there. Don't worry, nothing happened.
This is fun.
Oh yeah,
I think
after
my-
you did 60 or 70 of those in one day,
Really? Yeah.
that I think that'll be enough.
So is it good?
Yep. So we get some ice. We need to get the good stuff.
What is that?
That's the infusion vodka. It's blueberry infusion vodka.
Blueberry infused vodka.
Yeah.
What
So
do you
now-
love about Reynolds Lake County?
My members.
Yeah.
They are like
Good.
they're not members, they're friends. They come in
Friends.
to see me like
Family.
friends. Yeah. Friend, family, friends you choose, family they give it to you.
Right.
You know, I
So
prefer
these are your
friends.
You're like Dr. Freddie for them,
Yeah,
right?
oh yeah.
Prescribing the blueberry infused.
Everybody feels better when they come in to see me. They go
even
happy
feel
home.
better when they go home.
Yeah. I make the wife happy and that make the husband happy.
Amen to that, brother.
Yeah.
All right. What do we got? Shake it up?
Yeah. You know, you shake before?
No.
No? So you got it from here, hold it, and hold it. Do it about 25 times.
25 times.
Yeah, just go like. $25.
25.
So you turn it.
Blueberry infused vodka, blueberries, lemon, more blueberries,
And more blueberries.
and some blueberries. And a little Freddie.
This is matte. This blueberries are matte.
Gotcha. Is it stronger than blueberries a la Freddie? Or
Yeah.
stronger.
Yeah. And that's the blueberries a la matte.
I feel hypnotized right now.
Try it.
I'm like,
You can do it.
I love it. Cheers. Cheers to you, Freddie.
Cheers, man. Your first blueberries a la matte.
That is delicious. Maybe too delicious.
That's the problem.
It's a good problem to have. Holy mackerel. How good are these?
Oh, that's good.
Freddie, thank you.
You're welcome.
No, really, thank you.
You see what happened with the blueberries
Yeah.
on man?
Yeah,
You hugged
a
it.
little bit of that, it becomes love, you know?
Yeah.
I heard
Become a friend.
I heard you're the heart and soul of the tavern. You're also the love.
The love of the tavern.
The love of the tavern.
I make everybody love in here.
Yeah, I love you. I love you, Freddie. No, really. I mean, I love you. Awesome.